Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to our science class. But before we proceed to our new lesson for today, let's do the pre-assessment. You're going to answer the following questions and you will write the answer in the chat box. For number 1 question, where does the sound travel fastest? Number 2, what is the unit of speed of sound? Number 3, which medium does the sound travel slowly? You're going to write the answer in the chat box and you have only 2 minutes to do this activity.
Today, we're going to learn about Lesson 4.4, Reducing Sound Levels. On your student book, it is on page number 60 to 61. The learning objectives of this lesson: first, identify some materials that can be used for reducing sound levels. Second, investigate how some materials are effective in preventing sound from traveling through them. Let's begin. Let us define first what is keyword. The keyword is soundproof, something that prevents sound from entering or leaving, for example, in a recording studio. Some materials are very good at stopping sound from traveling them. These materials can be used to soundproof rooms or to make ear protectors that protect your ears and stop loud noises from reaching your eardrums. Look at this photograph. It shows a recording studio where music is recorded. A recording studio is a place prepared for recording music. The microphones in the studio are sensitive and they will record sounds that are quite soft. It is also important that the people living or working near the recording studio do not get disturbed by the sounds made in the studios. Unwanted sounds are a nuisance. They can also be dangerous if they are very loud, as they can damage your ears. Exposure to loud sounds can lead to hearing damage or loss. Continuous exposure to a noise level of more than 85 decibels can lead to permanent hearing damage. The best way to protect against hearing damage is to prevent sound waves from entering the ears. There are many methods of doing this. For example, earplugs that usually made of foam or rubber are placed inside the ear. Ear protectors are caps, like headphone caps, that fit over the ears, and they are filled with foam and other materials that cut down or prevent the transmission of sound, stopping the sound from entering the ears. Some sounds are annoying or harmful, and we need to stop them reaching our ears. To protect our ears, we can use ear protectors made from materials that reduce sound levels. High levels of exposure to noise may result in hearing loss. Measures to protect the ear are referred to as hearing protection, and devices for this purpose are called hearing protection devices. These are examples of hearing protection devices. For the summary of what we have learned, a soundproof is something that prevents sound from entering or leaving, for example, in a recording studio. Second, exposure to loud sounds can lead to hearing damage or loss. The best way to protect against hearing damage is to prevent sound waves from entering the ears. And to protect our ears, we can use ear protectors made from materials that reduce sound levels.
Now you know already the different ways on how to reduce the sound levels of the different sounds. It's time to check your understanding about the lesson. You will do your assessment in live worksheet. The link will be provided in the chat box. Enter your username and the password to open your account in live worksheet. You will see the assigned workbook. Open that one and you will see the live worksheet activity that you need to do. For the plenary, you will do it in Mentimeter. The link will be provided during the online class and you need to finish this one in only 2 minutes. That's all for today. Thank you for listening and have a nice day.